Epomaker TH80 Pro. Welcome back, guys. Peace be upon you. Ni hao, Dabdulashi Nazad. Assalamu alaikum, like always. Check it out. Today we'll be reviewing, testing another Epomaker keyboard. This is their latest model 2023 TH80 Pro. And 75%, 80 different keycaps, obviously with a beautiful design, a lot of cool different, of course, effects, RGB effects, 3 different types of connection, 4000 mAh battery with the Pro version, guys. Of course, this is a mechanical one with the swappable keys. Anyway, watch this video till the end and shop online with my links if you want to support my channel. And enjoy, man. Let me know in the comment section, will you be buying this amazing $100 worth keyboard? Let's go.
Are you ready to take your gaming and typing experience to the next level? Say hello to the Epomaker TH80 Pro keyboard. This mechanical marvel is not your ordinary keyboard. It's a 75% layout with 80 keys, designed for those who love versatility and customization. So let's dive into the specs. So what are the best selling points of this keyboard? With built-in modularity, you have the power to change everything from connectivity to switches. The 75% layout offers both typing comfort and space efficiency. Don't miss the programmable metal rotary knob, giving you extra control over your setup. Of course, you can control the audio and pause the tracks. Maybe you're watching YouTube, you want to put the maximum volume or down, no need to go to your laptop or something like this. You have everything accessible on your keyboard. So we have also of course a lot of different connections. You have 3 different options: Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4G connectivity, and a USB-C wired connection. Thanks to hot swappable sockets, you can easily swap in your favorite south-facing switches, whether they are 3-pin or 5-pin. Let's talk about those switches. The Epomaker TH80 Pro offers a range of Gateron Pro mechanical switches. The Pro Yellow for a smooth and lighter feel. Pro Red for a quiet and responsive typing experience. Pro Brown for that perfect balance between tactile feedback and silence. Pro Blue for the satisfying clicky sound. Pro Black for solid and precise keystrokes. These switches are factory pre-lubricated for a buttery smooth feel right out of the box and boast a 50 million keystroke lifespan. Whether you prefer liner or tactile, Epomaker has you covered. And let's not forget about the unique Epomaker liner switches, Flamingo with dual extended springs, delivering ultra smooth travel and a satisfying rebound force, or the Epomaker tactile switches, Budgeriger, optimized for an authentic feel with unrivaled consistency.
Okay, let's do the sound test right now. Awesome. Okay, this is how you're going to see the battery life of your keyboard. FN and B, 70%. Awesome.
Now for connectivity options, the Epomaker TH80 Pro is a powerhouse. Occupied with a massive 4000 mAh battery, it supports wireless and wired connection. Choose between Bluetooth or 2.4G wireless options. In the wired mode, you can also program macros to match your typing habits. And switching between these models, of course these modes basically, is a breeze with simple shortcuts. And what's a gaming keyboard without some dazzling RGB effects? The Epomaker TH80 Pro has you covered. Enjoy a variety of default RGB effects you can easily switch between. 18 of them, that's a record. With a south-facing LEDs, the RGB lights shine brighter and offer endless customization possibilities. For the DIY enthusiasts, compatible software is available to create your own unique lighting effects. In conclusion, the Epomaker TH80 Pro keyboard is a game changer for gamers and typists alike. It combines modularity, switch variety, versatile connectivity, and stunning RGB effects into one powerhouse keyboard. Make sure to use my links below to buy this one, and remember, let me know in the comment section, are you ready to elevate your typing and gaming experience? See you till next time, Ma'as salam.